In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Grok application. We'll take a look at the simple steps involved in navigating the app so you can start using it effectively. First, you'll want to head over to Google. Just open your preferred web browser and type in Google in the address bar, or perhaps it's already set as your homepage, which can save you a step here. Once Google is open, your next move is to type Grok into the search bar. Now, this might seem like a small step, but make sure you spell it correctly so you can find exactly what you're looking for. As you type, suggested results might pop up, but you'll want to focus on finding the official Grok website. Now, go ahead and click on the Grok website from the search results page. This site should be your first choice as it's the most direct way to access all the features Grok has to offer. Clicking on this will lead you to a comprehensive landing page filled with helpful tools and resources. On the Grok website, you'll discover various options. What you'll want to do next is to locate the Imagine feature. Simply click on Imagine, and this will direct you to an area where creativity has no bounds. Here's where things get a bit more exciting. You have the opportunity to make a prompt. This is where you can let your imagination run wild and come up with creative ideas. For instance, you might try something like a fusion of Spider-Man and Captain America. Feel free to be as creative or as straightforward as you like. Whatever you dream up, just ensure your prompt is clear and concise to get the best results. Once you've crafted your prompt, the final step is to click on Submit. This action will send your creative prompt into the system where it gets processed. It's the moment where your imagination translates into a tangible creation through Grok. And there you have it. With these straightforward and effective steps, you've just navigated the Grok application smoothly. Remember, while these steps are quite simple, the possibilities they open up are vast and only limited by your imagination. Keep experimenting with different prompts to see what dynamic and unique creations you can come up with using Grok. So, happy creating, and I hope you have a great time exploring all that Grok has to offer.